Life is an adventure best spent outdoors. Keep it rolling with a tire and wheel protection plan from Toyota Financial Services, adding balance and extra security for the unexpected. Take on the open road with confidence, knowing your tires and wheels are covered from eligible road hazards. Plus, unlock additional benefits with optional key replacement protection to get you back on a roll in no time. No matter the plan, we make it easy to protect your vehicle's performance, safety, and value. Get coverage for up to 6 years with no deductibles and no mileage limits. Don't let a tire or wheel repair send you spinning. Ask your dealer today about a Toyota Financial Services tire and wheel protection plan.